Howdy folks, I'm coming to you from Hollywood, California for the unveiling of the 2016 Mazda CX-3. Yeah, that's right, it's going to be happening right here on stage at a Hollywood studio. Kind of dramatic. Stay tuned for that, it's coming up next.
I mean, Mazda's coming into this segment. It's an emerging segment, especially in North America. And this is kind of the newest product in the Mazda lineup. Of course, it's a completely new car for Mazda, and it's following directly on the heels of the new MX-5. So there's a family relationship, but I also think the car kind of stands alone in its own realm. If you want, we can walk down the side of the car. If you come around the front, first of all, you'll notice that for a crossover, the front of the car is actually quite low. And that creates a very sleek, dynamic look that we think will be fairly unique in the segment. And it's really kind of part of the Mazda DNA. And again, has a strong connection with the MX-5. That makes it kind of a unique part of the family. If you come down the side of the car, you'll see a very sleek, long fender that flows all the way through the body side into the back of the car. And that gives the car this unique cab rearward proportion, which is totally unique in the segment and something that we're really hoping helps this car kind of stand apart from the crowd. Here around the back of the car is again one of the key standout features. You can see we've managed a very sleek cabin, very compact glass area, and then yet a very substantial lower area that gives the car this kind of planted feel. And I like to think the back end looks a little bit like a rally car. It's very stable and very strong and planted and gives the car that kind of masculine quality. And you'd be surprised, despite the sleek cabin, the car actually has an amazing amount of interior space and storage space for the class of vehicle. And again, we think that that's going to be the unique combination for the segment, this sleek, sporty, dynamic quality, but with a degree of functionality that's really going to set it apart in the class. It's interesting because the segment's so new, it's hard to really define what the competition is. There's obvious players like the Mini Countryman or the Nissan Juke or even the new Honda, but it's so new in the game, we're kind of hoping that we can get in there and get a fresh start, and we'll see who the competition really is as we go along.
I don't know about you, but I'm actually surprised they stuck with the Kodo design and they went for something very different, and I think something that'll sell very well in this market. Only time will tell. Tell me, what do you think about the 2016 Mazda CX-3? Put it in the comments below. For the Fast Lane Car, this is Nathan Applin. I'll see you next time.